guys, today we're gonna be opening these specs. So unboxing. Just gonna grab this pink one. They're like little donuts. Yeah, here. Yeah. Split half and half. So let me get these open real fast. These are the colors I have, and these are the colors my brother has. So overall, I would say that's a pretty good, pretty successful Speks unboxing. And if you haven't already, go watch my dumpling video, because I got a dumpling, or he did too, but so yeah.